Yes, I can see you now. Yeah. Good afternoon. How are you?
Good afternoon. I am fit and fine. Thank you for asking. What about you?
Yes, I am fine too. So please introduce yourself.
Okay. First of all, thank you so much for accept my request, and I am very happy to after connect with you. So, let me introduce myself. So, my name is Sangeeta, and I am from Bihar. If I talking about my qualifications, so I have completed my graduation BSc, and currently I am living Haryana in Gurugram with my husband. So that's all about me.
Okay. So you did you ever work?
No, no, I am learning web designing course and as well as English language.
Okay, okay. Yeah, you have done your B.Ed, right?
Not, I have completed BSc Bachelor of Science in Geology honors.
Okay, zoology. Okay. Yes. So now you're living in Haryana.
Yes.
Is it cold there now?
Uh, Yes, yes, definitely. I am feel under the cold. My voice is little bit different.
Mm-hmm. Right. Yes, yes. So I can see you're wearing a sweater also. It must be really cold there.
Yes, I am on the roof right now.
Yeah, you're somewhere in the open area. I can tell that. Go ahead. You wanted to ask
Ma'am,
me something? Mm.
yes, I have lots of questions
Mhm. Please
related
ask.
English learning.
Mm.
Ma'am, tell me about like how long have you been learning English language and like when you feel like I am become a good speaker, how long you take time for learning?
I have been learning English language since I was a kid, from my school days.
Okay, what is your native language?
My native language is Kannada.
Okay, okay. So your background, your qualification background is like English language?
Yes, yes. I studied in English medium school.
Okay, that's you speak very well because you from
Yes, yes.
childhood your language.
Yes. I studied in English medium school. Even at home, I got environment to speak in English. So that is why I'm able to speak.
Okay, and like when did you realize we should create YouTube channel and we should contact with different people?
Mm. I am working as a trainer already, so I connect with learners and speak with them. So whenever I have free time, I can speak to even more learners. Then I saw people making conversations and putting it on YouTube channel. So I thought I will create my channel also and connect with learners and have conversations. That's it.
So you told me you are a trainer. Okay, so like do you teach offline also?
Not offline, only online.
Okay, online.
Mm.
So how long have you been teach? Like
I have started teaching spoken English from 5 or 6 months. That's all.
okay, okay. So tell me about I want to improve. I am also my English language was little bit when I speak a video call, so I feel very comfortable and I speak very well. But when I speak front of camera and front of someone, then I got very scared. I so and little bit grammar mistake also.
Mm. So how long have you been talking to people video calls?
Video calls only like 5 and 6 video I talk
So the first time when you spoke to somebody on video call, did you have this much confidence? What you're having now?
first time.
Yeah, first time.
First time I was very scared and I was very fumbling and I had no any idea how to start. But blank in my mind. This
Yes,
kind
yes. Yeah.
happened with me.
But
But yes,
after
I
five
was
or
trying
six
to
video
express
calls,
myself.
after 5 or 6 video calls, you are better now, right?
Yes, you can see and you can tell
Then
me.
yes, you are okay. You have got little bit of confidence compared to your first call. So that is the reason, because you are not used to talking to people. You don't have enough practice. So if you do this consistently like 10, 15, 20 days, then you will not feel nervous while talking on video calls. It will become habit to you.
Yes, I want to make regular video. I want to talk with people different regular, but I am unable to find partner. How I find partner on
I
video
will,
call?
yes, I will add you to a Skype app. Okay, so there are different learners there. Around 30, 35 people are there. So whenever you are free, you can talk to them. Whenever you are free, if somebody else is free, you can connect and talk with them.
Okay, okay, definitely. I am finding this kind of method, but I didn't find. In one day, how many sessions did you take? Sorry, do you take?
As of now, I take maybe two, maximum three.
Okay, so like learner can connect you or like you connect with them.
Anything. Now, if learners send me an email and they want to connect, so I connect with them.
Okay.
Mm.
So like tell me about your whole day. Like what do you do in whole day?
In the whole day, I have two children. My daughter is 9 years old. My son is 4 years old. So I wake up, I get them ready to school. We prepare breakfast, pack their boxes, the same homemaker duties. I do everything. After they go to school, I finish my household chores. From 11 o'clock, I start taking sessions, like maybe 2 or 3 sessions. After that, I have my lunch. I rest for some time. After 4 o'clock, my children are back from school. So again, I have to take care of them, then prepare dinner. Then later, after they sleep, I do my editing and I upload videos for the next day. So yeah, that is basically my routine.
Okay, so you edit video from yourself.
Yeah, yeah. I edit my own videos.
I have my YouTube channel. I have started in 1 December, but
First
I have
December.
uploaded, yes,
Okay.
and I have uploaded only 2 videos because I do not make regular basis. So that's why. So I
Where
will
did you
try.
take that mic? You're wearing a mic now. Where did you purchase
Yes,
that mic?
I did purchase this mic on Amazon.
So, which brand of mic is it?
Brand name is K9.
K9. So, how is the quality? The audio is good?
Yes, audio is very good.
Really? So, what is the price of that mic?
For 400, like 439.
Okay, so is it a wireless mic?
Yes, wireless.
Now you're talking to me through that mic?
Yes, I am, yeah, putting in my mobile.
Okay, you have connected the mic because the clarity is very good. Clarity is good,
Oh,
and even the audio volume is coming high in your videos.
yes,
Is it
yes.
loud?
After disconnect, then I see my video, so my voice is very clear.
Okay, okay. So I got a mic. It was like 700 or 800 rupees, but the noise cancellation is very good, but audio quality is low. The volume is not very high.
Okay, so you do not use now.
I am not using mic now. Mainly, I'm doing most of the time, I'm doing conversations only. So for this, I don't need a mic.
Okay, okay. But sometime conversation is also voice is very come to very slow. If I talk very close, phone I keep phone very close, then it is okay. Otherwise, different for
So so far for conversations, I never used a mic. I'm talking through
yes.
phone only. But while shooting individual videos, I need mic. So I was looking for mic. I did not get a good quality one. That's why I asked you.
Okay. So only you make conversation video. Why do you not make solo video, like single video?
I make single
Because
videos also, but not very much because I get mails a lot, right? So I feel first, okay, let me talk to people first, and when I have time, I'll make be a solo videos later. And you have to like solo videos, you have to create script, you have to have proper audio, video, everything, right? So I've shot so many videos, but I didn't feel like uploading. They were not up to the mark, so I did not. I'm not uploading.
yes, I saw your shorts video. It's
Yeah,
good
yeah.
shorts. Your
Yeah, shorts video is good because I can keep my phone like this and speak. But for solo videos, if you want to shoot, you have to keep it your phone little far. That time audio quality is not very good.
yes. So tell me, what is your hobbies?
Currently, I don't have any hobby, only YouTube. All the time YouTube. Editing, uploading, checking like if somebody has watched it or no, and replying to comments. And I'm getting mails, so replying to mails, scheduling. Okay, next day, what time? Who is free for the next day for the next conversation? Only this I'm doing. No other hobby. What about you?
Okay. My hobbies are dancing, study, plant, and take care of animals.
Oh, do you have any pet animal at your home?
No, no, I am living on rent in Haryana, so I don't have right now. But in my in-law house, I have animals, cow and buffalo.
Okay, okay. So that time you used to take care of the animals. Now nothing.
Yes, yes, yes.
Mm.
When I was go there, so I make roti. When I used to make a chapati evening and morning, so I used to give him regular 2 and 3 chapati.
Okay, okay. To the animals also.
Yes, and cow.
Yeah, yeah.
My
Only two or three
my
chapatis?
don't know because evening and morning, my mother-in-law she told me you can after make your cooking, then you can serve. Sorry, what I say, you can feed 1 and 2 chapati cow only for cow.
Okay, okay. Mm. But I think it eats a lot of food, right? Cow. You have to give lot of food. Only one or two chapatis is not enough.
I don't know. There have, I think, one of the rasam in 1 and 2
Okay.
chapati.
Okay. Ritual. It is a ritual to give one or two chapatis to the cow.
Yes, yes.
Mm, mm, mm. You worship the cow, right? It's like your mother, so you have to offer food.
Yes.
Mm. So which life is better now or your village life?
Now I am very happy because I am utilize my timetable and I give lots of time on myself and I learn lots of things. But in village life is only busy their house chores, my house chores, only my in-law family.
Mm.
I don't have any time for improve myself.
So what do you want to do? What is your goal? What do you want to go for a job? What do you want to do? And why you are learning English?
I want to become a good developer, soft developer. You know,
Mm. Mm.
yes.
Right, right. Okay. So how are you learning this web designing? Through YouTube or you have joined any course?
I have been learning now. I am in laptop. I have and on. I have took subscription on online. One of the
Okay, you have taken
website.
subscription. Mm-hmm.
Yes,
Mm.
one of the website, and also little bit I learn through YouTube.
Mm. Okay.
Yes.
So how many months course is it? Web designing. How many months course?
6 month have this course available. 6 months.
Okay. How many months have you completed now?
2 month I have completed.
Okay, okay. Very soon you will complete and you will start looking for job.
Yes. So that's why I am asking you also software engineer. So why did you leave? I am learning these days. So it is any difficulty did you face? So that's why you leave.
No, 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 no. I left because of marriage and because of relocation.
Okay, okay.
Mm.
So tell
Yes.
me about your experience when you was doing work.
Software job.
Yes.
Very good. My experience was very good. The environment was good. I worked for an MNC. So the environment was very good. Life was very good when I was working.
Okay, okay. So like after marriage you were doing job or when you was unmarried?
When I was not married yet. When I was single, I was working.
So
Mm.
while searching a job, did you any kind of problem?
No, because I got placed in my campus interview. I did
Okay,
not
okay.
I did not search for job at all. I got placed in campus interview and I worked, that's all. Only for this tutoring job I searched and I got it later. Yeah. Mm. Okay, any more questions?
Right now I have no any question in my mind, but before connected with you, I
You
have
have
lots of question, but I forgot right now.
you should have written and kept all your questions. Mm.
Yes, before we should return.
Yeah, we should
Yes,
write and keep. In that way, we will not forget anything. Now, after disconnecting the call, you will remember one by one. I should have asked this or that.
yes.
No issues. If you have any more questions, you can message me.
Okay, okay.
Mm.
You want to go?
No, it's nothing like that. I want to go, but yeah, we have finished the conversation, right? So we can disconnect now.
Okay, okay.
I will
I
try that
am very
mic.
happy to talk with you, and it was good conversation with you. I feel very, I talk with you to like I feel very familiar. I know you before, like
You feel that you have known me already, right?
yes.
Right. Okay.
And I
Yes.
saw your video regular basis with conversation video. So I
Mm.
think I did message you 1 month before, like but you didn't reply me.
You messaged me on your mail, right?
Yes, mail.
Yeah. But I messaged you, right? You have to wait for a few days. Then you said, okay, ma'am.
You okay? Did you see my message? And you
Yeah.
text.
Yeah, I saw your message. I saw your mail that you wanted to talk to me. Then I told, yes, I will talk to you, but now I'm busy. Wait for a few days. Then you said, okay, ma'am, I will wait.
I don't remember because there have I talk with different people 2 and 3, so I do not remember right now. But yes, I know like I messaged you, but
Yes,
you
you
reply.
messaged me and I replied also, and you said, okay, ma'am, also. So after like maybe 10, 15 days are over now. So one by one, I will be talking to people when the mails come. So one by one, I'll finish and then I'll reply to other mails. So
I think
yesterday was your chance. So I messaged you again.
you have lots of messages.
Yeah, yeah.
Uh,
At least daily 10 mails at least I will get for conversations. But I will talk to
oh my
only two or
god.
three people in one day. It's not possible because I'm homemaker, right? So now today, if you message me, maybe 1 month later I will reply. It's like that.
Okay, okay. Who want to talk with me? And then you can give me my, link and about me. So I talk with them because I want to remove my hesitation. I want to build my confidence level.
Definitely.
Okay.
Okay, then lovely talking to you. You have a good day. All the best for your English journey.
Same here, ma'am. Thank you so much. I am very happy to talk with you.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.